Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by confirming the essentials. Quest 3 is updated, and developer mode is enabled so you can sideload apps. Once done, download the CX File Explorer APK to your computer and prepare SideQuest or ADB tools. Next, plug the headset into your PC with a USB-C cable and accept any permission prompts inside the headset. Make sure your PC recognizes the device. If it does not, check drivers and USB mode before proceeding to the actual install. You now sideload CX File Explorer. If using SideQuest, drag and drop the APK into the app window and watch the progress indicator. If using ADB, run a db install path /to/app. App from a terminal. Once installed, open the app in the headset and immediately grant storage and file permissions so it can access files. Make sure to allow access to both internal storage and any SD card or external drives you plan to use. Keep SideQuest handy for future updates. You finish by customizing CX File Explorer. Set your default folders, enable media scanning so thumbnails appear, and add cloud or network shares via FTP or SMB if needed. Once configured, test opening, copying, and streaming a few files to confirm everything works. If you hit problems, try reinstalling the APK, resetting app permissions in the headset settings, and updating PC USB drivers. If connectivity fails, switch cables and reauthorize the headset.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.